In this video, you'll learn how to soft delete an item on Blixo in just a few simple steps. The only way to delete an item is by deleting directly in the Items section. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Items field to go to the items list. Click on the trash icon of any item to start the deletion process. After clicking, the confirmation box will appear. To cancel the process, click the Cancel button or close the box. To proceed with deletion, click the OK button. Let's check it out. Success! The item has been deleted. Voila! You have successfully deleted an item in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.